Good afternoon, students. In the previous class, we started with our third chapter, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. In that, we saw how the two sultans, that is Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, used the Maratha Sardars in the wars. And we also saw the 5 famous Maratha Sardars. Today we are going to continue our chapter part 2, Tradition of Valor. All these Sardars were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. Students, these Sardars were very brave, loyal, fearless and very strong, but they were enemies of one another. They never thought that they should unite and do something for their own people. Now students, for whom these Maratha Sardars were fighting with each other? Yes, for Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. In the first chapter, we saw that they divided Maharashtra among themselves and used to fight with each other. In this fight, they used the Maratha Sardars. They never thought that they should unite, they should come together and do something for their own people. So, all their valor and bravery served the interest of the others. So, their bravery and courageously fighting in the battle was for the other people, and in this they even lost their own life. Valor means great courage in the face of danger, especially in battle. Even so, they kept alive the warlike spirit, especially among the young. Many famous Sardars were born in their families who kept alive the tradition of valor. Now, while doing this, one good thing was done by these Sardars, which was they created a warlike spirit among the young people. The young Marathas were ready to give their life for battle. Among the famous families, the Bhosles of Verul showed great bravery, and among all the famous Maratha Sardars, the Bhosles of Verul showed great bravery in the battlefield. The Temple of Gurneshwar. It was about 400 years ago the temple of Gurneshwar near the Verul caves was falling to pieces. Now, the temple of Gurneshwar is located at Aurangabad in the state of Maharashtra. It was about 400 years ago. The temple of Gurneshwar was falling into pieces. The walls had developed cracks. And the priest also had deserted the temple. Deserted means empty and quiet, containing no people. So the priest who was looking after the temple also ran away due to the bad condition of the temple. Thus, the temple which was built in honor of a great god was totally neglected. Neglected means suffering a lack of proper care. All the devotees who came there mourned over the sorry state of the temple, but no one thought of repairing it. Now, students, it was neglected. This temple was neglected by the devotee, and nobody thought of repairing it again. A great devotee of Shiva visited the temple regularly. He would put flowers and betel on the lingam and express his innermost thoughts to the god. Now, there was a great devotee of Lord Shiva who used to visit the temple regularly, and he used to put flowers on the lingam and expressed his thoughts to God. Now you can see the picture of lingam over here. He carried out extensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. He also made arrangements for the proper maintenance of the temple. Now, this devotee saw the bad condition of the temple and he thought of repairing it and bring it back to its original condition. And he also made arrangements for the proper maintenance of the temple. Now, there were lights both inside and outside the temple, and the lost grandeur of Guruneshwar was restored. Grandeur means the quality or condition of being grand, and restored means repair or to renovate. So, there were lights inside and outside the temple. Who was this devotee who did all this? He was none other than Maloji Raje Bhosle. Students, in the next chapter, we will learn more about Maloji Raje Bhosle.